To figure out mole-to-mole calculations, we're going to take some of the things that we already know and combine them. And the first thing we have to do is we have to balance this chemical equation. So the way we balance the chemical equation is by listing the, it's supposed to be an Al and then Cl, the two elements or however many elements are in the equation. So on the reaction side and the product side, on the reaction side we have 1 aluminum and 2 chlorines. On the product side we have 1 aluminum and 3 chlorines. My aluminums are balanced, but my chlorines are not. In order to balance my chlorines, I want to take the most complex compound in here, aluminum chloride, and balance it with the next complex compound, which would be Cl2. So we have Cl3 on the product side and Cl2 on the reactant side. 2 goes into 2 times 3 equals 6. So that would be 3 chlorines on the reactant side. So now we have 6 chlorines. Then we have 2 AlCl3s, aluminum chlorides. And again, 2 times 3 is going to, in the Cl3, is going to give us 6. So my, and then the aluminums are 2. So my chlorines are balanced, but my aluminums are not. So I can just put a prefix, in my coefficient in the in the prefix spot. So that would be 2 times 1. So that's going to give me 2. So now we're balanced. This right here is our conversion factor. So that's the reason we need to have it balanced. So now what we can do is take what we're given in word problems, whether they're math, physics, or chemistry. With word problems, find out what you're given and find out how many, what you're looking for. So what we're given is, so I'm just going to put given, is 7.5 moles of chlorine Cl2. And how many moles of AlCl3? So that's going to give me my conversion factor, but this is also what we're looking for, how many moles. So we're going to take what we're given, which is, let me move this up a little bit. So we're going to take what we're given. So we're going to have 7.5 moles of Cl2. And we're going to put that over 1. We're going to make that a fraction. And then we're going to take this moles of Cl2 and we have, now we need our conversion factor. So we want to find out how many moles. So 2 moles, because that's what's here. 2 moles of AlCl3 over 3 moles of Cl2. So the moles of Cl2 cancel, and now our units are moles of AlCl3, which is what we're trying to find, moles of AlCl3. So now the rest is math. If we take 7.5 times 2.5 times 2 moles of AlCl3 over 3 will give us 15 moles of AlCl3 over 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times, so we have 5 moles of AlCl3 over 1. Why? Because we divided 3 into 15. So our answer is 5 moles of AlCl3 will be required, 5 moles of AlCl3 will be made from 7.5 moles of chloride with a reasonable amount of aluminum. We could figure that out as well now that we have the moles of chlorine. But for our purposes right now, our answer is 5 moles of AlCl3. That is the first answer. So, if you need more, feel free to come to my classroom. And also feel free to contact me. My email is in the description.